Last month I did a video about the courtyard villas here in the villages with various suggestions and tips that I could give people who are thinking about moving down here. Well, these are the patio villas. They're also very popular with the seasonal people. You know, they call them snowbirds down here. They pretty much look the same. Every neighborhood of these patio villas is probably I would say about 120 homes. They all have the white picket fences in the front. And they're very hard if you're thinking about putting a golf cart garage in. You probably won't have that option unless you have a corner unit. They all have 1.5 car garages, which means you're going to have your one car in there and a golf cart. That's about all you're going to be able to get in there. The parking situation here compared to the courtyard villas is a little bit better. There's more street parking. And you notice there's no curbs in these areas either. Down in the newer section, what they call DeSoto, McClure, and Fenney, these patio villas are all new kind of construction down there. They don't even look like the ones up here in the northern part of the villages. When I say northern, I'm talking about north of 466A. North of 466A, they pretty much look just like this. I would say ballpark, these probably go for right around 200K, give or take what the owners have updated them. So keep that in mind. I also noticed that some of them lately have had new roofs. These are about 20 years old now. So keep that in mind. If you can get a new roof on a repurchased home, you know, a pre-owned home, then that's a bonus to you. A lot of these older patio villas also have all the landscaping put in. But right now, everybody seems to be enjoying those new homes being south of the turnpike. Down there, they're all totally different. I'm talking about patio villas. And I'll be leaving some links also for you. Take care.